Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare three best smartphones, which is OnePlus Nord N30 versus OnePlus Nord N20 versus OnePlus Nord N10. So let's see the full video. Now for display comparison, display type, display size, display resolution, screen to body ratio, PPI density, screen protection, always on display. Now for design comparison, has dimensions, has weight, has colors, has SIM slot, body frame. Now for storage comparison, has RAM, has memory, card slot. Now for platform comparison, has chipset, processor, graphic processing unit, has operating system. Now for rear camera comparison, rear first camera megapixel, rear second camera megapixel, rear third camera megapixel, has flash, has video records. Now for selfie camera comparison, selfie camera megapixel, has video records. Now for connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, has positioning, has NFC, infrared port, has radio, has USB connectivity. Now for sensors comparison, has fingerprint, accelerometer sensor, gyro sensor and compass sensor, proximity sensor. Now for battery comparison, has battery type, has battery mAh, has battery fast charging. Now for sound comparison, has stereo speakers, 3.5 mm jack. Now for features comparison, has network type, has launch date. Now for price comparison, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Our Gadgets compare. See you soon.